Yo, what's up everyone, it's your boy Showers here, back with another video, and today guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how I edit / make my thumbnails for videos, or, just for stuff and all that stuff, or just edit pictures and, make them look pretty good. Yeah, before we get into this video, make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you guys never miss a video. It would greatly help me out. And yeah, let's just get straight into the video. Let's go, guys. Okay, so the first thing you guys are gonna need PicsArt, and that's pretty much the only thing you're really gonna need is PicsArt. So you get onto PicsArt, then you're just gonna hit the plus sign. Then it's gonna hit here. You want to click the video or the picture that you want. It comes straight onto here. I'm gonna put it back like this. So yeah, there we go. And then all you have to do is really, this is what I do. So I'm first gonna go on to get a picture, add a photo, and okay. So I'm gonna have to go down here a little bit to this. Add that. I'm just gonna add my face, acting like this. Like there's a dead body reported. Like that, there you go. And then, I'm going to lower that down a little bit. I think that looks pretty good right there. I don't want that, I don't know why I picked that. Okay, so the next thing, I'm going to do a call out. I kind of like these. These are pretty good. So I'm going to use, which one should I use this time? I don't know, maybe, I'm going to use this one again. This is the one I used last time. So I'm going to say something. I'm going to say, who did it? I'm going to say who did it, and it'll look pretty cool, and all that stuff. So, have it go up. Move this more to the side a little bit. It's a little easier. I'm going to move this over here. I'll make it a little smaller so I can fit it over there. So I'm going to say who did it and all that stuff. It's going to look pretty cool. Then I'm going to go to stickers. And I'm going to go to the Among Us. This is also the main reason why I like this, is that you can get all these cool stickers here. And it looks pretty cool. So I'm just going to put in Among Us. And it pops up all of these like PNG photos type of things. I think like a photo type of thing. So I'm just going to have this thing load. Okay, so now we're here. I searched up Among Us logo. And I'm just going to try to find like a logo type of thing, which I think there's some right over here. So we're going to get one of these. We're going to get this one. And it's going to pop right here. I'm just going to like put this up like this. And we're just going to put it over here. Put like Among Us. And I think that looks pretty good. I might change a little bit. But I think that looks pretty good. I'm going to get another sticker. And we're going to search up Among Us already there. And we're going to get some of these colors here. Okay, so now we got this, so like we'll put it over here or something like that. Lower the side, that's really big. Don't need it that big. Kind of like lower the side a little bit. So we got one there, probably might get another one. We'll probably get like two of them. Go here. We'll get red, because red's always sus, you know. Okay, so red's always sus. I'm gonna try to flip it. Kind of like, I don't know. But yeah. I think that looks pretty good. I don't know, I might change it around a little bit, but that's mostly how I do it. I might even just take that out and just keep it like this one. I think that looks pretty good, to be honest. But yeah. Alright, that looks a decent thumbnail, in my opinion. I might add a couple more things, but I think that looks pretty good. So yeah, I think that's going to be pretty good. Then, when you think it's good, you just hit the check mark on it. Check mark. And then, bang. There you go. And then, all I do is, and then you hit the download button at the top middle. Right there. And then, it just loads, and bang. It's saved to your photo gallery. And there you go. You pretty much got it right there. So that's pretty much how I make my thumbnails. It's pretty simple. they don't really take that long to edit. To make, if you really know what you're doing. And also with PicsArt, you got like if you go into stickers, you got a bunch of these stickers which are perfect, and that's why I really suggest this app, because I think it's just the best app in general to do. You can just search up whatever you want, and it's absolutely perfect. So yeah, this is also how I made my profile picture and all that stuff. I used this app to make it, and I think it's really a really good app, and it makes it in decent high quality. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys did enjoy, and I'll see you guys tomorrow, or not tomorrow, but like in another video. Peace out, guys. Peace.